Guitar World, Life and Style, Complex, Reader's Digest, Film Weekly, Sci-Fi, Essence, Alternative Press, Billboard, The Hollywood Reporter, In Touch Weekly, TV Guide, In Style, Us Weekly, Vulture, Okay, Vanity Fair, People, Star, Rolling Stone Magazine, Entertainment Weekly.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.